Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about this beautiful Atari 800 XL. I love the Ataris. I have this one and I have this AVG cartridge that has a lot of programs in it and games. I haven't done many things with this, but now I just came out with a new product. As you can see, this is a normal stock Atari 800. But guess what? Oh, there's no power supply. Well, I got a new thing for you. This is the new Atari USB-C power supply replacement. And what it does, it goes in here. You connect it. And if people are used to my channel and follow me, and if people follow me, you will see that I have this same product for the Apple IIc. Well, I came out with the same thing, but for the Atari. It's a USB-C connector. And the only thing you gotta do is you gotta get a USB-C cable and a normal iPhone or any 5 volts USB adapter. So let's do how it works. I got my Atari. I got a monitor working. I'm gonna connect this to the power. Then this, I'm gonna connect it to the USB-C that it's in the back. And of course you cannot see it, but here it is. And there it is. It's telling me that it's 4.66 and it was on already, so the computer started. Here we are. If I turn off the computer, it will show me it's 5.2 volts, what it's getting right now. And if I turn it on, it will go low a little bit because it's taking some voltage out. And the computer is working. Let's see it working, doing something. Let's run Prince of Persia, my favorite. And let me go back so you can see it's working from here. It's connected directly. Start. Sorry, I'm not that familiarized with the Atari, but it's working. And there's Prince of Persia, still working from 4.6. And again, we follow the cable, the white cable, and it's just going over here to the power supply. So you will be able to use a small power supply. And I'm gonna have this product available in 8bitstuff.com, as you always know. So let's turn it off. And there you go. USB-C for Atari. It says Atari on the sides, has a Atari logo on the back, and a USB-C connector. And there you go. So hope you like it. Let me know in your comments. And please comment, subscribe, and see you next time.